Hello everyone, my name is Naveed and today I have discussed about the how to make money online, and I have shared with you 30 ideas of Inspire in 2022. So if you have a new in my channel, then don't forget my YouTube channel, subscribe and press the bell notification for upcoming video for notification. So let's start now. Hello viewers, I have some ideas share with you. First of all, when you start your business plan, business strategies, then you can follow business type, effort, leverage, and startup cost, and professional potential. First, number one of the sell stuff online. You can sell easily online any stuff, any product of different platforms. One of the best making idea, quick caching for the selling stuff online. For example, you can sell clothes, furniture, handbags, jewelries, ladies accessories, and etc. So any product you can sell different platforms like Amazon, eBay, it's a Alibaba, AliExpress, etc. So when you start up a few hours effort to start up on only initial level to advanced level, then you time to first payment and investment of your business. So I recommend you and share with you any requirements of your business for the product selling. You may need to create account and get verified the sell any of your product in marketplace. So second point is start a drop shopping business. You can sell easily third party products and sell with the commission on your product. So it's a very beneficial way for your business if you don't invest any investment of your business. Dropshipping can cash on the latest trend on the Amazon, eBay, it's a different platforms, uh, or search trending products for the selling purpose. So I have more discuss different ideas in the next video. I have a create next video within a few hours. Then you can watch complete my video and get more extremely ideas of your business. Thank you very much.